Assalamu alaikum student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. I hope that you have attempted the previous homework assignment. So today we will learn or we will talk about the rock salt mine and natural gas production in Pakistan. So first we will discuss what is rock salt. Rock salt is a natural mineral form of salt and found underground, and it is also called halite. Rock salt forms when ancient seas dry up and leave thick layers of salt behind, which later became buried under rocks and soil. In Pakistan, large deposits of rock salt are found in the salt range, especially in Khyra salt mine, which is one of the largest salt mine in the world. And then we will discuss why is rock salt important. So rock salt is important for several reasons. It is used as a table salt for food. It is used as food preservation. It is used in chemical industries to make products like soda, ash, and chlorine. It is used for animals feed and medicines. It also attracts tourism, especially at the Khyra salt mine in Pakistan. So now we will discuss about the industries that are like they affect, they influence in different ways. So primary industries are industries that make natural resources directly from the earth. These resources are basic raw materials that other industries use to produce goods. Examples of primary industries include mining, fishing, farming, and oil and gas extraction. Mining involves extraction minerals such as coal, iron, salt from the ground. Fishing provides food from oceans and rivers, and farming produces crops and livestock. Oil and gas extraction provides energy resources used for transportation, electricity, and industries. These industries are very important because they provide raw materials that support many other industries and economic activities. Next, we will discuss about uh, natural gas production in Pakistan. So, what is natural gas? Natural gas is a fossil fuel found deep underground. It is very important source of energy used around the world, and natural gas is commonly used for cooking, heating home, and producing electricity. It is considered a cleaner fuel compared to coal and oil because it produces less pollution when burned. Natural gas is usually found together with crude oil inside underground rock formation. To obtain natural gas, companies drill deep wells into the earth to reach gas reservoirs. Next is how natural gas are formed. Natural gas was formed millions of years ago. During ancient times, many plants and tiny sea animals died and sank to the bottom of ocean. Over time, these remains uh, were buried under layers of sand, mud, and rocks. As more layers formed on top, the pressure and temperature increased. After millions of years, this heat and pressure changed the organic material into fossil fuels such as oil and natural gas. So, this is why natural gas is called a non renewable resource because it takes millions of years to form. Next, we will discuss about where is natural gas extracted in Pakistan. So, Pakistan has several important natural gas field. One of the most is important is Sui gas field in Balochistan, and gas was discovered there in 1952, and it became the largest source of natural gas in Pakistan. Other important gas fields include Meri, Pirukha, and Kandkot. Among these, the Sui gas field has historically produced a large amount of natural gas in Pakistan, and these gas fields play a very important role in supplying energy to homes and industries across the country. So next we will discuss about like how is natural gas distributed. After natural gas is extracted from the ground, it must be transported to different parts of the country so everyone can use it effectively or according to their use. So this is done through a network of pipelines, and the pipelines are large metal pipes that carry gas from uh, gas fields to cities, factories, and power plants. And these pipelines can stretch for hundreds of kilometers. The buildings and maintaining pipelines is very expensive because they require strong material safety system and regular maintenance. And despite the cost, pipelines are the most efficient way to transport natural gas. Next, we will discuss about the uses of natural gas. So, natural gas has many important uses. Firstly, it is widely used in homes for cooking and heating as we are using it. And secondly, industries use natural gas to run machines to produce goods. And thirdly, the third one is the natural gas is used in fertilizers factory to produce chemicals needed for agriculture. It is also used in gas-fired power station to generate electricity, and because it burns more cleanly than many other fossil fuels. Natural gas is considered a relatively cleaner energy source of energy. So next we will discuss about the will Pakistan always produce natural gas? Natural gas is a non-renewable resource, which means it cannot be replaced quickly once it's used. So, unfortunately, Pakistan's natural gas reserves are gradually decreasing. As the population grows and industries expand, the demand of natural gas is increasing. Because of this, Pakistan may not be able to rely only on its own gas resources in the future. Therefore, the country may need to import natural gas from other countries. This is why energy planning is very important for the future. So now there is like possible gas suppliers. Pakistan has discussed gas supply with Qatar, Iran, Turkmenistan. So Pakistan, these countries have large natural gas reservoirs and can supply gas to Pakistan. However, to transport this gas, long pipeline must be built across countries. So, building international pipelines is expensive and requires operations between governments. If successful, these projects could help Pakistan meet its energy needs in the future. Okay, so class related to this topic, you need to solve the attached worksheet. So, in the worksheet, there is a diagram of gas production. Okay, so you need to answer the following questions, and all the questions we have discussed in our slides previously. So please go through the slides again and again to solve the worksheet, or you can check on your, or you can refer to your textbook. The first question is, how was natural gas formed? So you need to answer it carefully. Then we have the question is, where is natural gas extracted? Question 3 is, how is natural gas distributed? And then we have, what are the markets for natural gas? And the last question is, will Pakistan always produce natural gas? So you need to answer all of the five questions, and please make your answers to the point. Okay, and there's you have a homework assignment. Do reading do reading of pages 68 to 72, and do the worksheet that we have attached. And thank you class for your time. Please, uh, if you have any query, you can ask freely. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz, take care.